Assalamu alaikum to the fans of Practical English brand. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today I want to explain these words, this, that, and these, those. It's a part of basic grammar, and I will explain these words in a very easy and simple way. Please watch the video till the end. So this, that. First of all, these two words are used with singular nouns. And these, those, these two words are used with plural nouns. This and these, these two are used with when we point to something that is near us. When we talk about something or someone, or we point to something or someone that is near us. And when we point to something that is far away, someone or something, we use these two. So now, if it's singular, it's near this. If it's singular, it's far, okay? If it's plural and it's near these. And if it's singular and it's far, that. And if it's plural and it's far, those. According to grammar, these words could be called both adjectives and pronouns. They have double functions. If they are followed by nouns or pronouns in sentences, they function as adjectives. If they are not followed by nouns or pronouns in sentences, they function as pronouns themselves. If they are followed by verbs, for example, then they function as pronouns. So look at the first example. This car is new, but that one is old. This car is new, but that one is old. Now, the word this over here in this sentence functions as an adjective. Why? Because it is followed by the noun car. In here, in the other clause, or in the other, sentence after but, the word that functions as an adjective. Why? Because it is followed by a pronoun. The word one over here itself functions as a pronoun because it is used for the noun car. So it is followed by a pronoun, therefore it functions as an adjective. And now look at these two examples. These books are cheap. So first of all, the idea is that I'm talking about the books which are near me, which are located near me. They're here. So I'm pointing to the books. I say these books are cheap. And of course, again, the word these functions an adjective. Why? Because it's followed by the noun books. And of course, it's something plural, so we use the word these. And it's located near me. And those books or those ones. So you may use the noun books, or you may use the pronoun ones instead of the noun books. So those books or those ones are expensive. So now, it functions as an adjective because it is followed by, a noun or pronoun. And the idea is that the books about which I'm talking or to which I'm pointing are far away. They're not near me. So I say those books are expensive, or those ones are expensive. And now, this car is new, so the idea is clear. Unless I'm talking to somebody, so that person knows that I'm talking about car, but instead of the noun car, I just use the word this as a pronoun. This is new. This is new. So now I'm pointing to the car, and that is located near me. I say this is new, but that is old. So in these two clauses over here in this compound sentence, the word this and the word that, these two words function as pronouns. Why? Because they're followed by verbs. If they are followed by verb forms, they function as pronouns. If they are followed by nouns or pronouns, they function as adjectives. So instead of the noun car, here I use the pronoun this. This is new. That is old. And now, for example, the idea is clear that I'm talking about books. So the second person knows that I'm talking about the noun books. And first of all, I'm talking about something, plural. And next, here I have two clauses, two simple sentences because it's a compound sentence. So in the first sentence, I use the word these as a pronoun because it is followed by a verb form. Instead of the noun, books. And of course, they're near me, so I say these are cheap. I am pointing to the books and I'm saying these are cheap. And the next sentence, I say those are expensive. Those are expensive. because the word those is followed by verb are, therefore, it functions as a pronoun. So the idea is that I'm using this word as a pronoun and I'm pointing to something that is plural, that is far away, that's not near me. So I say, those are expensive. So the second person knows by those, by the word those, I mean those books. So this is how I explained these words, quickly. And I hope you understood the explanation, and I hope that you can use these words correctly in your sentences in the future. This much is enough. Have a great time. Bye-bye.